Howdy hunters! We're on a daytime adventure!
Yay!
This is the greatest adventure of all. No, not even close, I'm sure. But today we are gonna go to a real pumpkin patch.
The Underwood farm.
I was waiting for you to say something and it's like cricket, cricket. Cricket, cricket. There it goes again. So yeah, we're going to Underwood Farms. It's in Moore Park, California, which is about an hour west of us. And normally during the year you can go pick berries and strawberries. They have really good strawberries. And
last time we went there, Gina was just stuffing her face with berries. We didn't even buy any. I think we ended up eating like half the basket.
You're such a bad liar.
I got pictures. She's got like berries all around her lips.
Well, that may be true, but we did pay for our berries.
No, we paid for them. We just said...
They just weighed me instead of the basket. Alright guys, so this should be a lot of fun. Hopefully there's some goats climbing their little...
Yeah, they got these like tightrope walker goats.
Oh, they're crazy goats.
Killer goats.
Killer goats, me. Alright guys, we'll see you in the pumpkin patch.
Gina, I think they're all out of pumpkins. I didn't see that very many.
I saw a ton of them. Lie. You're the worst liar ever.
They don't take credit cards, only cash. And I didn't have any. I don't have any in my pocket.
You have to sell your body to them then,
Oh,
so I can get a pumpkin.
That's only gonna get us $5.
Hey, I can get a small pumpkin.
Gina and the giant cheetah.
It's like an ottoman from your house. Or like
One
a
of those
beanbag chair.
love sacks. What is that? That's a
Pumpkin.
instead of candles.
Stream strobe.
That's pretty cool.
And look, pumpkins can shave their legs too.
Pumpkin masters. Gina and I like to get a lot of these vegetables at the farmer's market. We don't drive this far normally though, usually. How far a drive was this, honey?
This is like 30 minutes.
Mmm.
Ooh, cool, purple carrots. I want to grow those someday. And I can smell cilantro.
Mmm. Grow some Brussels sprouts.
Now that's an avocado.
Those look
How
really
big
good.
That is.
Mmm.
I'm gonna get some on my tree next year. Woohoo!
You think?
Only took 8 years.
Look at all these crazy drivers. Gina's in her element here. Where's your wagon? Go get your wagon.
You gonna pull me?
No, you're gonna pull me. Is that gonna be big enough for our pumpkins?
Oh, you're gonna need 2 more. Alright guys, today we can pick avocados, beans, beets, carrots, cucumbers, my favorite.
Mmm.
Let's see, lots of pumpkins, radishes, squash,
I don't see hot peppers.
strawberries, tomatoes. What don't you see?
I don't see hot peppers.
Don't worry, Chrissy, they got your peppers.
Oh yeah!
Feathers and beak, I fell in love with you. Feathers and beak.
Here's the little kid patch. The monster pumpkin squasher. That's awesome.
Should we get some different color ones this year?
Sure. Crash and burn, Maverick. I don't know if these carve very good though. Do they?
I don't know. I never had a white pumpkin before. If I only had a brain.
I want to make one of these. Dang. Gina just left me. She ain't waiting around.
What do you guys think? On a scale from 1 to 10. I think he's about a 9. He's got a good stem. He's got a good face. There's probably some good seeds in there.
So how do you pick out the perfect pumpkin? Is it a sound thing?
First
or-
thing I look is at the stem.
Okay.
And then I look to see if he's sitting straight. And And if he's kind of tilted up a little bit, because if he's pointing too straight, you have to look at the face like that. But if it's up a little bit, you can carve the face in.
That one looks like they turned it then as it was growing, huh?
Yeah, see? He just sits up a little bit, so you can carve the face right there.
Nice. Let's get him. Let's bag him.
All the bees working hard. Getting lots of pollen. That's cute. Guys, come see these zucchinis. Gonna make
Oh my
canoe.
gosh.
You can make a canoe out of them.
A
Someone
bat.
You can't really do anything with zucchini when it gets that big. The first year I grew zucchini, I was like, wow, look at how big this is. And then you cut it open, you eat it, and you're like, wow,
It's like wood.
that's terrible.
It's like, man, they're all that big.
Oh my gosh, that one's huge. Don't let your zucchini get that big, folks. Look at you guys. Little buggy. There. Wow, look at that one.
Nice.
That's a good berry.
Oh yeah, I'm in my garden right now.
Pepper heaven.
I think I'm gonna have to do a little taste test to see if they're spicy.
You guys, we're in tomatoes now. Note, do not pick them unless they already started turning red, unless you want a green tomato, because they will not ripen unless they...
Fried green tomatoes?
You can have fried green tomatoes. Whoa! Woo! That's gonna be a beautiful tomato someday, but not today.
We need to bring those little snips next time, huh?
Yeah, we do.
I didn't even think of that. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Spaghetti!
You need lots of spaghetti. Look at this tomato. Oh my gosh. That's like a 3-pounder right there.
What are these?
Those are lemons.
Okay, they're not ready.
This is grapefruit. Some of them are if you look underneath. But I'm not going in there. That's a black widow infestation.
This is Gina's scary haunted house that she draws the line. She's not going in there.
Ruby red. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
What's this tree, you think?
Grapefruit still.
No, this one. It's just a wee little tree.
Just a regular one.
Is it like a walnut tree?
Don't bear no fruit.
Wait a minute, there's a sign.
Okay, go check it out.
It's called walnut. I was right. I thought it would look like a walnut tree with all my tree knowledge.
Yep. I'm sure you saw the last sign. There's an orange tree.
Navel.
This is what I'm looking for.
Navel lint.
Avocado. Yum.
There's flies on me.
No. Let's pick some of these.
I don't even, oh dang, I do see some.
Yeah. Some of them are their mates, so you just have to. Here's one.
Can we eat guacamole?
Heck yeah. You have to wait a couple days. Did you know that avocados don't ripen until you pull them off the tree?
I did not know that. I mean, you may have told me that, but
You learn something new every day. Man, I wish we had a ladder. I want those ones.
I can climb it. You think they'd frown upon that?
Yeah, you probably don't want to do that.
What if I knock them down?
Yeah, these ones look like they, like arms reached already got picked.
Du hast avocados.
These aren't as big as the ones they had out front. It's a little deceiving, eh?
Well, let's get those bigger ones.
Sand tree. Wow, look at that sprinkler. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I just got my leg all wet going through there. Wash my tennis shoes off.
Lucky twins. Yeah, wash all that beer off you.
Raspberries. What's one of the songs that she
Well,
sings?
how long?
Dolly, I'm eating raspberries.
Yeah, sunflower seeds. How many of you guys like sunflower seeds? I do.
What kind of seasoning do you like the best?
Salty ones.
Barbecue?
Those are good. I used to eat those a lot in high school.
Chew, spit, enjoy.
Ding! There's a pumpkin house.
Ooh. Mmm.
Strawberries.
Want some kettle corn?
I got some at home.
Oh, okay. Mmm, sriracha. These guys grow all the hot peppers for this sauce. This stuff's awesome. Emperor Cusco. That's a big donkey. You got a permit for that?
Nico's job is to protect the corporate coyotes.
His mom's playing in his bathroom now. He's trying to fit through the fence.
This is where you pour a little bit of beer. You want some rum, buddy? I can pour some in there for you. Dang.
Well, would you hurry up? I'm trying to get to the next stump and my patience is wearing thin. Alright, so we got some doves. There's a pheasant right there. My dad grew up in Iowa, and his dad, my grandpa, they raised them, and they had a pheasant farm, and they had a bunch of peacocks as well, but for my dad's science fair project, he deboned it and he put the whole skeleton back together.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh, Chris, look. See that nest right there?
Yeah?
There's little babies in that nest. Something's in there. Little birds.
Some feathers?
No, there's birds in there.
There's probably some real eggs down there.
Down there. See them all?
Oh, yeah. You can buy McChicken for any limited time for $1.89. Gina accidentally had an accident. Sorry, man. This is like crazy town, man. Yeah. I wouldn't want to work in this one.
Hey, that one's stuck in the nose.
That guy was a good shot. One shot. What do you guys think this is? Looks like a bunch of toilet plungers.
I think you sit on it, put a pumpkin on your head, and someone has archery.
Oh, the heck with that idea. I ain't volunteering for that. Look at all these tractors. You know what, Gina? That's the very tractor that Kevin Bacon rode on in Footloose.
Chicken?
I'm just kidding. I can't back that up. Let's trade your Jeep for one of these. Look at the size of that white pumpkin.
Big.
How'd they lift it up there?
It's an albino pumpkin.
What if that thing
Very
fell
rare.
over? That's a
That's a
hazard.
pretty big platform. Look, 417 pounds.
Whoa.
Hey, look, 15 years old from Burbank. He's growing it in my backyard. Want a check for $500? Well, that's nice because that's about how much it costs to water that thing in California this year. I'm sure he had a little extra for a packet of seeds. Wish we could do the corn candy.
I want to do the corn candy.
Make me one.
I think we should, and we'll aim it at our neighbor that's the Bah Humbug guy.
Yes! I love that idea.
We'll shoot little pumpkins into his yard.
Oh man, little spiders.
Look at, they shoot like tomatoes and stuff.
I think that's for color.
Oh.
There's the corn.
Oh, so they just shoot the corn.
How about Gina?
That's why it would be called the corn. Oh, dude, there's the corn cannons.
Oh, I don't know. Look, maybe you're right.
These are the corn slingshots.
Yeah, and there's tomatoes, so maybe you're right.
So tomato slingshots.
Corn.
and corn cannons. I wish this was open today. We're coming back. Hey Gina, how you gonna get out of that labyrinth?
Hey, I thought because I was tall enough to see that it wouldn't be no problem, but it doesn't end.
Are you warming up for the corn maze? The scariest maze Gina's ever been in.
They have an emergency exit.
Woo!
It's a class.
Your whole life flashed before your eyes.
Should we do it?
Absolutely. I think they could have found a scarier gate.
I think at nighttime they change it.
Rainbows and animals. Let's go on in.
Can you get to the Hay Pyramid and back? No cutting through. All right, you got any advice?
Always keep right. Ah! I want one of these in our yard.
I grew corn once.
It didn't really turn out awesome to eat though.
But that's because
But they looked good. They were very nice corns.
a 5x5 space to grow it in.
That's true. Even less space now.
Did you guys know this is what pollinates the corn?
What
These
else?
little silkies. See that pollen falls down on these little silkies? And then that's all the individual little corns.
I saw Gina out there with her corn like pollinating herself, so she's a cheater. But she said you have to do that when you only have like 4 stalks of corn.
Yeah, you want to make sure success. Human intervention. Like Jurassic Park.
Gina's GMO corn.
No GMO.
I feel like we've already walked here.
Are we going in circles?
I think an alien's been in here. You can see the way the corn's laid down. No human being could ever lay corn down like that.
Zucchini, pumpkin.
What's that doing in here? What is a cucumber doing in the corn maze? Listen to them. They sound like they're being tortured.
Wonder if there's a corn monster in here. What do you think a corn monster would look like?
I'm definitely corn-fused.
So short.
I'm pretty sure we have walked through here.
So much for your rule of always going right.
There's the top view.
Oh, let's see where we are. You are here. That's if it starts to rain.
You need to use the restroom?
Ew. That's funny.
Sorry.
Sicko.
Ain't picking up that one. Hey, this reminds me of Signs. Are there any aliens in there? Hello? Mel? Are you in here?
3 hours later. Oh, I see the flag.
Which flag?
Which flag?
Which flag?
Hey,
This is a secret passage.
Chrissy.
I think this is the best
Can't
way
go
out.
that way.
Help us!
Help! Help! We want out! We want out!
This is a shortcut?
Yes, this is a shortcut. It brings you to 10.
I feel like I'm breaking rules here.
No, we've done it 9 times.
Okay. As long as it's okay with you guys. How long have you guys been in here? Like 2 days?
No, we've been in here for...
A couple hours. 10 days without food and water. Gina, you've reached the top. Now to get out of here. We found the center.
That's a lot of corn.
I'm not seeing a way out here.
That was so much fun.
Yes. I think Gina might have got a little sunburn in her little crack there.
My crack got burned. Oops.
But we have 4 scrumptious pumpkins in the bag.
Yeah, we did good. got our pumpkins. So now we're gonna go have some lunch. I'm thinking tamales.
Tamales.
And then who knows? I don't know what we're gonna do the rest of the day. We'll just have to wait and find out.
Maybe carve.
Ooh, carve our pumpkins. All right, be thinking about what you want to carve. Are you gonna go extreme this year, or are you gonna do simple?
I'll probably just drill a couple holes in the drill bit.
No drilling. That's cheating.
I just want the seeds.
Cheater. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.